Welcome back, guys. I'm Mark Wong, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be showcasing the best RX 9070 XT pre-built PCs in 2025. The Radeon RX 9070 XT has finally arrived, rivaling NVIDIA's RTX 5070 Ti. But what makes the 9070 XT stand out is its great value for money, making it the go-to pick for individuals who want the best dollar per frame. Of course, this GPU is also sold out on virtually every online shopping site, so we'll be showcasing the next best thing. In this video, we will be walking you through the best RX 9070 XT pre-built PCs. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth 9070 XT pre-built gaming PC on our list is the AVGPC Whirlwind gaming PC, priced at $1,799.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads based on the Zen 5 architecture, it offers impressive multitasking capabilities. Of course, this unit features the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT with 16 gigabytes of VRAM, delivering outstanding performance for 1440p and 4K gaming. With 32 gigabyte of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6,000 megahertz and a 1 terabyte M.2 NVMe SSD, users can expect rapid load times and seamless multitasking. The 360mm liquid cooler ensures the CPU remains cool during intense gaming sessions, enhancing performance and longevity. The sleek, frameless black case not only looks modern, but also promotes effective airflow. An 850-watt gold-rated PSU provides reliable power, ensuring stability during peak usage. Additionally, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity offer convenience without clutter. Included with the system are a basic gaming keyboard and mouse, making it a complete package for newcomers. Now, one limitation we did notice is that this unit only features a 1 terabyte SSD. This might not be ideal for gamers who like to store a number of titles on their PC, but if you're the type to uninstall a game after finishing it, then this would be no problem. Our team recommends this for individuals who want a value-for-money gaming rig that comes with a 9070 XT. The fourth 9070 XT pre-built gaming PC on our list is the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro, priced at $1,999.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The iBUYPOWER Y40 PRO Black gaming PC is a powerhouse, featuring an AMD Ryzen 9 9900X processor that delivers exceptional performance with its advanced architecture, enabling seamless gaming and multitasking. Coupled with the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card, this system is primed for high-resolution gaming and intensive graphical tasks. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RGB RAM, you'll have no problem multitasking, which enables you to run multiple applications simultaneously as you work, create content, or game. The unit also boasts a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, ensuring rapid load times and ample storage for your games, media, and projects. The Y40 Pro is Wi-Fi ready and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, making it easy to get started right out of the box. The included iBUYPOWER gaming keyboard and mouse enhance your gaming experience, and the 360mm liquid cooling system, along with RGB fans, ensures optimal performance while keeping the system cool and quiet. There is one limitation we did notice though. The design is pretty much minimalistic, as it doesn't offer too much in terms of aesthetics, but in terms of performance, this gaming rig delivers. Our team recommends this for serious content creators who like gaming on the side due to its powerful Ryzen 9 processor. The third 9070 XT pre-built gaming PC on our list is the Skytech Omega gaming PC, priced at $2,399.99, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. The Skytech Omega Gaming PC Desktop is an impressive pre-built system that mainly caters to gamers seeking high performance and reliability. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D CPU, which boasts a base clock of 4.2 GHz and a turbo boost of up to 5 GHz, this PC is designed to handle the most CPU-intensive games. Of course, this unit features the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. It also comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz, which makes it great at multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications without lag. Made with the gamer in mind, this unit features a 2 TB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD that offers speeds up to 30 times faster than traditional HDDs, ensuring quick load times and ample space for games and media. The system runs on Windows 11 Home, providing a modern and user-friendly interface. In terms of case aesthetics, the Omega boasts a sleek white case with front mesh for optimal airflow, and it includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse to get you started. Of course, a limitation to this build is its price. At $2,400, this gaming rig is the most expensive in today's list. Our team recommends this for gaming enthusiasts who want a powerful and stylish gaming rig that offers top-tier performance. The second 9070 XT pre-built gaming PC on our list is the AVGPC Blizzard Gaming PC, priced at $1,999, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Being made for gaming enthusiasts, the Blizzard features the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D processor with 8 cores and a base clock of 4.2 GHz, much like the previous entry. This allows for exceptional gameplay performance. Paired with the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT, this setup is designed to handle the latest games at high settings, providing stunning visuals and smooth frame rate. The 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6000 MHz allows for peak gaming performance while enabling you to run other programs as you play. It also features a 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering rapid load times and ample space for your games and media. For optimum cooling, the CPU is paired with a 360mm liquid cooler, ensuring optimal thermal performance during intense gaming sessions, while the 850-watt gold-rated PSU guarantees reliable power delivery. The Cooler Master TD500 mesh white case not only looks modern but also promotes excellent airflow with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, as well as included peripherals like a basic gaming keyboard and mouse. The AVGPC Blizzard is ready to deliver an outstanding gaming experience right out of the box. Overall, this gaming PC is a powerful and stylish option for anyone looking to elevate their setup. Now, we did find a very small limitation, which is its color options. Unfortunately, this build only comes in white, which might not be ideal for some. Our team recommends this for gaming enthusiasts who want one of the best high-value gaming performance build with a Ryzen 7 7800X3D. The best 97XT pre-built gaming PC on our list is the Xidax X6 Gaming Desktop, priced at $2,169.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The Xidax X6 Gaming Desktop is the most powerful gaming rig in today's list. At its core lies the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D CPU, capable of reaching speeds up to 5.2 GHz, delivers exceptional processing power, making it perfect for both gaming and content creation. Paired with the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics card, this system ensures smooth gameplay, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your favorite titles. The inclusion of 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz provides ample memory for multitasking and enhances overall system responsiveness. Much like our other entries, this unit also features a 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD, offering rapid load times and plenty of space for games, media, and applications. The 360mm AIO liquid cooler keeps the CPU temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions, while 6 RGB case fans not only enhance cooling but also add a striking visual appeal to the setup. Additionally, the Xidax X6 comes with built-in Wi-Fi and a genuine copy of Windows 11 Home, ensuring a modern and user-friendly experience. For the limitation, we did notice that despite the high-end build, the case is only able to accommodate 6 fans. While this is enough for gaming, some individuals might want more, considering the CPU is top of the line. Our team recommends this for high-end gaming enthusiasts who want the best performance out of the RX 9070 XT, as it is coupled with the 9800 X3D, and there you have it, folks, the best RX 9070 XT pre-built PCs in 2025. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Mark signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great